Welcome back to Speed Cross. This is a very special video. This is my very first donation towards Frankenstein. The chap who sent this to me asked to stay anonymous, so I won't be mentioning who it came from, but a very, very big thank you to you for getting the ball rolling and sending me what's in here. So let's unbox it and see what this gent has sent me. He definitely didn't want it to fall out of here, I can promise you that now. Wow. There's a little bit of everything in here. Those are going to look good on Frankenstein. With another one. Stickers inside. And it looks like he sent a note as well. I'm going to cover his name. That's the note that the gent has sent me. And, well, I don't know how anonymous he's going to stay now, but that is his Facebook channel and his YouTube channel. Go and see this guy. He seems to be pretty new, but at the same time he's got a couple of videos up. He's done a live stream on Facebook, which I was a part of. Go and see this guy, he's brilliant. Right, next package and the end of the box. Wow, like I said, he didn't want anything to fall out of here. Let's see. Oh man. Ha. Right, let's see what's inside. Wow. And he assures me that all of this is still working. No brand name, but 60 amp, so we can do 3S on this. Right, next one. Let's see what's in here. See if we can open this one a little better too. I need to get a new knife. Somebody donate a new knife to me, so the blades. Ah, here we go. Right, some more packing. Wow. Guys, look at this. With a strap. Brand new. I can tell you now, this is brand new. This isn't even a second-hand battery. Guys, this is brand new. Yep, definitely brand new. There's the instructions for it. This is a brand new battery that this gentleman has donated to me. And it comes with a securing strap. Wow. Mr. Anonymous, thank you very, very much for this donation. This is fantastic. This is absolutely fantastic. That's all of my electronics. I have ordered a chassis, but it's probably going to be about another month before we get that. But I'm still keen to build up a chassis and let this run Frankenstein. Yeah, keep following, guys. There's going to be more of this. And again, Mr. Anonymous, thank you very, very much for your donation and for the beginning of Frankenstein. Guys, don't forget, subscribe, like, and hang in. There's more videos coming in. Cheers.